Hey there, I'm Vinay and I'm here to introduce you to the newest feature that we are launching at Insighto called MCP Server Integration. MCP, for the uninitiated, is a model context protocol that helps us in integrating our AI agents with various tools at the same time. So you can simply configure your MCP and connect it with your AI agent, and the MCP will in turn integrate with the various tools. So creating an MCP could be very easy. You can simply move to one of the MCP servers like Zapier. I've used Zapier. You can move to any of the MCP servers. It doesn't really matter. And once you create an MCP server, you will get a server link like this over here, and you will simply need to configure your actions. So your actions are basically the things that you want your AI agent to do with your MCP. So over here I have configured like 3 actions. I want my MCP to send an email, book a meeting, or create a spreadsheet. So you can simply add another action. There is no really any limit on the actions that you can ask your MCP to do, so you can create as many actions as you want. So once you're done with this, you can simply move to Insighto. Over here in AI agents, move to the tools, and you will find a new tool being listed in the list called MCP server. You can start a new tool, name it as anything that you want, MCP test 2, copy the URL, paste it over here, and create. So you have successfully created your MCP server, and you would just be required to integrate it with your AI agent in order for it to work. So then simply move to assistants. I have a few assistants been created, such as this is a test account. I would simply move over here, edit assistant, and the connected tools you would find. So this is a chat assistant that we have configured. We might already have a few tools connected. And the select tool, you can simply select MCP server, and in configuration you can select the configuration that you just created in the list of tools a while back. So I've done that. The MCP server has been connected to our assistant. We can simply move back and move to widgets to test our MCP server out. So over here you could see the voice widget and the chat widget. So like everyone knows, Insighto has both AI chat as well as AI voice capabilities, and we would be testing MCP server for both the functionalities. So let's test the voice one first. So I am using a web call widget, and I would just be talking to the assistant now.
Hello, how can I assist you today?
Hey, I want to know more about Insighto.
Great. Could you please provide me with your email address? I will send you more information about Insighto.
vinagopal@insighto.ai.
I've sent the information about Insighto to your email. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.
Perfect. Thank you. Here it is. So we have successfully sent an email using our MCP server through our AI agent at Insighto. We can do the same thing for our chat widget. It is even easier in this case. So I will simply ask it, tell me more about Insighto. Tell me more about. Okay, so in a similar manner, it's asking me for my email address. I will simply provide it what one. Just waiting for the AI assistant to respond, and yes, it's done. So we have successfully created an MCP server, integrated with our AI agent, and successfully sent an email using it. Both voice as well as chat functionalities are functional using the MCP server. So just to test it out and just to see that MCP function was really the function that was initiated, you can simply look over here that you would find multiple MCP calls being made through this function. So the proof again could be whether I received an email, and the answer would be, let's check. And yes, I just received an email a minute back with more information about Insighto. Perfect. Thank you, Team Insighto. So here is how you can create your own MCP server integrated with your AI agent and do many magical things with Insighto and MCP. Thank you. Do give it as a try at app.insighto.ai and feel free to ask your questions on our Discord server or chatbot. Thank you.